up, my new money farm? This is your family head, Nana Yawusu. You know, I started a series on my journey out of the bank, the steps I took. I'm taking you guys through each step one after the other. And in today's video, we're going to discuss a very, very important step, that is the decision, the big decision. That is going to be the decider. I want you guys to do something for me. I want to know your comments and also share this video. That way I pick the signal that you are digging the videos I'm doing, you are digging the content I'm doing, then it will encourage me to do more. If not, just don't share. All right? And I'll pick the signal and tweak my content to just suit you guys. This stage is very critical because every decision you make, you are going to have to live with it for the rest of your life. Because we are resigning from your day job to come and do this business full time, even though we are going to start part time now. So it's very, very crucial. You know, some people have changed lives. Millions and millions of people have been touched by just this one single decision. Okay, this step of making the decision on what you are going to do after you resign. So you know, and if you miss this stage, you don't make the right decision, you are going to live with the consequences for the rest of your life. Some have even gone to the extreme of taking their own lives because they didn't make the right decision. I mean, you can't live or do a business you are not passionate about, that you don't know anything about. So you do some soul searching. This stage is where you do some soul searching. You know what comes second nature, what is so easy to you for you to do. All right? Your gifts, your talents, your abilities, your specialties. I mean, find it. You will find it. Okay? You will find. Let's take some time. Do some soul searching. What grabs your attention? What are you passionate about? All right? Passion is what is going to take you through difficulties. Because I mean, it happens. Okay? It happens. Once in a while, you come across some difficulties, and it is your passion to move forward. I mean, your passion for whatever you are doing that carries you on. Okay, so do some soul searching and make the decision. That is when you can move forward, you boldly, with your chest out and with all the confidence. That is what I did, and it helped me so much. You know, this is not a decision you take in just 30 minutes or 1 hour. Some people take their whole lives, okay, making this one particular decision. If you are not sure, don't make the decision. Better still, get help. Let someone help you. Because if you make the wrong decision, you are going to regret it. You are going to get frustrated. You are going to lose your self-esteem. Okay, and you can't move forward when difficult times come. So you have to be sure of what you are doing. All right? Yeah, so that is it. It's a very simple stage, but very, very crucial. Guys, as you know, this is the spot where we get to talk about ourselves, when you get to take our future into our own hands, discuss what our teachers didn't teach us in school, and uncover the secrets our bosses dread us to know. All right? Here we talk about our future, ourselves, how to make money, how to make our lives better. You know, it's full of like-minded people. I want you guys to comment on, you know, what you are feeling, the decisions you are making. You know, how difficult is it for you to make the decision? I want to know. Let's interact, because this is our sport. There's no boss here to look over our shoulders to ask us to bring our transactions for processing or for authorization before we can move ahead with the process. It is only us. We are our bosses. We are taking our life into our own hands. That is why I keep dropping gold. That is why I keep dropping some bombs to keep you, you know, from just relaxing and to get you started. So feel free to join my Facebook group, the New Money Family Group. That is where we meet. That is where we discuss. You know, you meet like-minded people away from all the negativities in the world. Entrepreneurship can be boring at times. So you need, you know, groups like this where we can talk. Peers who've risen at the same level. You know, you are not going to talk to someone who is going to discourage you. No business is a bad business. We encourage ourselves. We look for better ways to move forward, to become better people, to put us in the position we are really supposed to be at. So if you've not liked my page already, follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and on YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. All is at Yawusu. That's all for today's video. See you in the next video. Peace out.